Meet Yosemite Shelving. With common lumber and simple cuts, you can now build custom shelves and workspaces that fit your lifestyle, maximize all your available space, and can be reconfigured when needed. Now your custom shelving is as simple as slotting 2x4s into place. The Yosemite bracket is designed to make measurements quick and straightforward. The interior design of the bracket allows dimensional lumber to easily slide into place, while the exterior design creates a clean, finished look. Because every screw faces inward, it's the first modular bracket that allows you to assemble from a single side, so you can build it right in place no matter how big your creation is. As your life changes, Yosemite Shelving allows your space to change with you. Enjoy the freedom of adding, subtracting, and reconfiguring without starting over or even unloading the contents of the other shelves. The Yosemite bracket is made in America with high-quality industrial-strength polymer and heavy-duty engineering that is built to last. Each Yosemite bracket holds 250 pounds, creating a full perimeter frame of solid stability, enabling each shelf to hold 1,000 pounds and easily support concentrated loads. All hardware is included with each pack of Yosemite brackets. While the screws and brackets lock the 2x4s together, the S-hooks secure the shelf in place for rapid assembly. The Yosemite bracket comes in versatile colors and is compatible with different materials, so you can control the look and function of your shelves. Effortlessly build, adapt, and organize with Yosemite Shelving.